Good morning, good morning. I'm on here to let you guys know of a very quick, delicious breakfast shake, smoothie. Either way, it's really good because if you're like me, you really don't feel like making breakfast every morning. You really don't, because I don't. So, what I do is I would make myself a smoothie in the morning, and it consists of Oikos, 000, strawberry, Greek yogurt. A lot of people don't care for Greek yogurt, but it's really not that bad, especially if you mix it with the right stuff. But Greek yogurt is heavy enough to make you a little full, but it's good for you. I mean, it's full of protein. For those who are really looking for some protein additives, it has 15 grams of protein in it. So this is really good. Zero sugar. That's why I get the 000, because I'm trying to stay away from too much sugar, especially processed sugar. So I get that one. Then I have my almond breeze, almond milk. I get the unsweetened vanilla, because it still has a little flavor to it, but it's unsweetened. For me, sweetened is just too sweet, so I get the unsweetened, of course. And if I want to sweeten it up a little bit, I use honey. Today I'm using my clover honey or what have you, but usually I use the organic agave, blue agave. But today I'm being a little daring and I'm going with the regular honey. And then you get you some mixed fruit. Now the fruit that I have, it's a little melted, but it has strawberries, peaches, mangoes, pineapples in them. And you can get them from your grocery store. I get the mixed fruit. You can use fresh fruit if you want to, but I ain't got time like that. She is a 30 minutes or less. I'm not gonna say anything, but when it comes to food, the 30 minutes or less. Okay, so what you do is you would take a cup of your almond breeze, unsweetened vanilla milk, add it with one full thing of your Oikos yogurt. I also add in my premium SeaMoss Gel. SeaMoss Gel is really good. Well, SeaMoss period is really good for your immune system. I'll add it in the description, all the additives and all the great things that, the benefits that the SeaMoss Gel does. But this one that I have, it has Bladderack and Burdock root in it. So like I said, in the description, I'll break it down exactly, what the benefits are. But I add that in to help me with my immune system, my muscles and inflammation, all that great stuff. But I don't want the regular sea moss that you get from anywhere else. I'm sorry. Again, 30 minutes or less. So I get it in gel form, and no, it does not taste disgusting. No, it doesn't have a seaweed taste or anything. It really doesn't. It's already mixed up. It's easy to put in my smoothie. I mix it all together, put it in my magic bullet, boom, bam, boom, and there you go. You have a wonderful strawberry, peach, mango smoothie that's delicious and good for you and filling. Now you could be fancy and put a little oatmeal in it to thicken it up a little bit. If you need to be a little hearty. Me personally, I just got to finish working out, and I put I eat my granola bar in the morning. And the reason why I eat my granola bar in the morning before I go work out, because you have to understand, you have to have your breakfast first thing in the morning. Understand, break fast. While you're sleeping, your body is fasting. So if you don't have something prior to working out, by the time you come in and you're back, you ready to eat, you may overeat, and that's something you don't want to do. So, have a little something, just a little something to give you a little bit of energy. Have a banana, have a granola bar. That's my go-to of choice, because it's quick, it's easy, it's good. And I always get the if you like peanut butter. I love peanut butter. I love anything that got protein, y'all. Anybody that know me, I love meat and more meat. But when I can't have meat, I find stuff with protein. So the granola bar with the peanut butter and chocolate chip, that's my sweet, that's my granola, and that's my protein. And I have that first thing in the morning, and I'm off. do my 3 miles. I'm back now. I have to have my smoothie and I'm good. And that lasts me for a minute. However, comma, I am going to say it is recommended for you to eat about every 2 hours, okay? Not eat big meals, not going overly whatever, but just eat just a little bit. I would say snack on peanuts if you like them. If you want something a little sweet, do what I do. I take my peanuts, my lightly salted peanuts, or the peanuts with the sea salt. Those are really good. I take my raisins, and then sometimes I want to be a little funky with it. I pop some little popcorn, mix it up in there. That's my hood trail mix, y'all. And then, of course, you can throw a little bit of M&Ms in there if you want, but just for something to snack on. My biggest thing, I don't like to feel like I'm restricting myself. I don't like to feel like I'm on a diet. So I make stuff that is good, delicious to me, but I still watch what I'm eating. You know what I'm saying? So just be mindful of that. And break your fast in the morning and enjoy your smoothies. It was great talking to y'all this morning. I will see you later. I gotta go get this together. But again, I did my workout, so I feel wonderful because I got my morning movement in. These endorphins are pumping. I know you can tell because I'm just cheery as all get up, and that's how you're supposed to be. And it starts your day. You guys have an amazing day, and I will see you later.